Hey everyone, Dave from Corso here with
Kyle Chase from Kymera Systems.
Corso and Kymera are doing some videos together, and we wanted to talk a little bit about digital transformation and kind of how we see ourselves as companies being more technology companies that do automation as opposed to automation companies that wade into technology.
Yeah.
Digital transformation, IIoT, a bunch of those things. You know, when customers come, they talk to Corso, and I would imagine also when they come and talk to Kymera.
To Kymera.
Yep. They are generally looking to go from, we've got siloed machines, maybe they're on the network, maybe we've got 20-year-old PLC 5s, and we want to be able to kind of visualize the data and understand what is going on in the process from the operator on the plant floor to the CEO or the highest level and member of that organization. And we want to go from someone doing raw data entry and someone doing everything manually to automating as much of that so that we can take those tasks and those people and allow them to work at higher levels. Are you seeing a lot of that as well, Kyle?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of it. I mean, it's not just at the PLC level.
Mm-hmm.
It's taking siloed applications, siloed business pieces, and
Yep.
making them work in a more holistic fashion.
Yep.
Being able to take your software and
Mm-hmm.
have it talk to more than just your PLC, have it talk to other software, have your PLC receive commands from different areas.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of value in that.
Yep, and we're seeing people talking about legitimate two-way communication with their ERP and their MES or their SCADA and the LIMS or whatever other systems that they're working on, so that you can actually have that one area where you know all of the latest and greatest and updated data is.
Yeah.
And that's generally what we think of as kind of digital transformation, going from what it is or what it was 20 years ago to being able to look in one place and see and understand everything.
Yeah.
Kyle brought up a really
Yeah.
good thing where he considers that Kymera is a technology company that does automation as opposed to an automation company that understands technology. And do you want to talk a little bit more about that, Kyle? Because I think it hit the nail on the head.
Yeah, I mean, so at Kymera, we don't want to be an automation company first. We're very much a technology company first. We want to be the first to embrace emerging technologies as they mature. We do a lot of research on the technologies that we're using.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the, most of the time, the technologies that aren't going to last the 20, 30-year life cycle of the automation systems that we work with. So we want to kind of be the company that helps bigger organizations and smaller organizations embrace these new technologies and not just take a guess at what's going to be around in 20 to 30 years. So
because Kymera is planning to be there 20 to 30
Yeah.
years from now, and Corso is planning to be there 20 to 30 years from now, and Kyle and I will certainly be somewhere talking to you guys in some form of the internet 20 to 30 years from now, and it's at the very core our reputations as people and as companies when we help push you towards the best technologies. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to talk about technologies. We're going to talk about a bunch of things that Corso and Kymera use. So Ignition, we're going to talk about Bedrock, we're going to talk about Opto 22, we're going to talk about MQTT, we're going to talk about a bunch of various different ideas and phases that can help you guys digitally transform. So we'll catch you on the next video.
you betcha. See you later.
Bye-bye. It was Kyle's term. It was really good. I completely stole it.
I failed English, but
You failed
I know how to make words work apparently.
Every once in a while.
Yeah,
Okay. See, I'm not making a Canadian joke right now, Kyle.
not yet.